Okay, let's start off being perfectly clear. This is all the fault of Will D. If you watched our live Friday Night Tech Talk stream from last night, we went back and forth about the Pixel 3a, 3a XL. I was pretty set on getting the OnePlus 7 Plus, and Will made very strong arguments about the price of the Pixel 3a, the cameras, me being a guy who compares a lot of cameras. Eventually, I just could not refute his arguments. So, that's why this phone is now in my possession. Here is the Google Pixel 3a. I didn't feel the need to get the XL as I got this phone just for cameras and camera comparisons. It's been a long time since I've had a Pixel. I haven't had one since the original, so I'm pretty happy to have those wonderful cameras back. So let's get it opened up. There's the Pixel 3a. Put that aside. I'll push the power button, see if we have any power, and then we'll see what else is in the box. There's our paperwork. There's our SIM tool. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. Just wanted to let you guys know that I got it. There's our USB Type-C cable and our adapter. Let's see what's here. And there's our power brick. Probably won't even use it since I have so many. So I'm going to get this all set up, and I'll be right back after I get it set up. Okay, we're all set up. It's copying all my apps, and as you can see, I got the white. I'll be putting a case on it anyway, but kind of like the white. And this was just a quick unboxing to let you guys see. I have the Pixel 3a. I thought about getting the XL, but since I bought this just for the camera, I figured the Pixel 3a would do just nicely. Of course, I'll be doing lots of comparisons. And as Mike D from Simply Your Device asked me last night, he wants me to do a comparison between a camera comparison between this device and the OnePlus 6D, so I'll probably be doing that sometime next week. So that's all for now, folks. Just wanted to let you know I got the Pixel 3a, and it's all the fault of Will D. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. Out.